Thousands of residents of Borno State in Nigeria's northeast continue to reel from the effects of the devastating flooding. The United Nations World Food Programme says it's working to provide hot meals to some 50,000 of the worst affected people, and says it needs $148 million to support flood-affected people in the state capital Maiduguri and across the northeast for the next 6 months. In a camp in Maiduguri, however, are frustrated people struggling to receive the medical treatment they desperately need.
Today I have finally obtained an appointment card to see a doctor and I'm waiting in line.
We have been waiting for medical attention since yesterday, but to no avail.
Authorities say about 1 million people have been affected by the floods in the region. The majority of them are housed in camps without food and clean water. Because of this, aid agencies are warning of a humanitarian crisis and an outbreak of waterborne diseases.
People are living out and about. They are exposed to the environment. So what do we see? A lot of waterborne diseases, diarrhea, the diarrheic diseases. You've got malaria. Malaria is around with a lot of mosquitoes. People are not able to sleep under mosquito nets. And as you know, we are coming off, well, we are not coming off. This was an ongoing nutritional crisis here. So a lot of people, because of malnutrition, are immunodepressed, which makes them more susceptible to diseases. The demand is so massive, the needs are so massive, it cannot only be MSF addressing this. What we're doing right now is to call upon the whole international community to come and help.
And the situation could get worse before it improves. Nigeria's government has warned of rising water levels in the Benue and Niger rivers, which could lead to flooding in the oil-producing Niger Delta region. For the people of Maiduguri, it's another setback to bring normalcy to their lives as they continue to live in fear amid regional terror and insecurity. Sharon Baranga, CGTN.
The feeling of insecurity intensified in Maiduguri yesterday after news broke of the escape of 281 inmates from a medium security custodial center. Officials say the floodwaters had weakened the jail's walls, causing them to collapse and allow the prisoners to flee. Authorities say they are racing to recover the situation, raising concerns about public safety. CGTN's Kelechi Mekalam reports from Abuja.
The collapse of the Alau Dam has devastated Maiduguri, but the escape of 281 inmates from the local correctional facility is now the greatest concern in the capital of Borno State. Among them are individuals held on various undisclosed charges. The Nigerian Correctional Service has confirmed that only 7 inmates have been recaptured so far, leaving 274 still at large. Authorities say they're using all available resources to track down the escapees, including sharing their biometric data with the public, who are worried over the jailbreak.
A lot of people have been complaining that their house has been invaded by some robbers, of which we are aware of the prison break. It could be probably maybe one of those prisoners are the people causing all of this problem. They should try and identify them, locate them so that they will be taken back to the prison.
With so many prisoners unaccounted for, the search for their rearrest will likely continue for weeks, if not months. Authorities are urging the public to report any suspicious activity. Meanwhile, as that situation evolves, the city faces the ongoing challenges from the flood disaster as well as persistent threats from Boko Haram's insurgency. Kelechi Mekalam, CGTN Abuja, Nigeria.